Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for tuning in to a Christmas in July preview unboxing episode. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have a new Patreon shout out to do today. We have some folks coming into Patreon, some brand new folks. And what I said a few weeks ago that you're going to want to be a Patreon supporter of the show for our Christmas. Oh, there's a nice little moth there. Bug of a problem. See, when you film when it's hot outside, moths come out, right? And they really like YouTube lights. So let me take care of this right quick. There's a bug that we have to deal with. I said a few weeks ago, you're going to want to be a Patreon supporter for this year's Christmas in July extravaganza. A couple weeks ago, asked the Patreon supporters what fun episode you guys want to see happen for this year's Christmas in July extravaganza, because we're going to do a lot of fun episodes. You know what they voted on? Hot Ones Hot Wing Challenge. That's right. How do I do with hot food, you ask? I'm curious about it. If you're not familiar with Hot Ones, they're a YouTube channel which has now grown to a game show. They have 13 seasons, and they interview rappers, they interview actors, they interview scientists, they interview a lot of people. They have 13 seasons, over 200 interviews. Check them out on YouTube, and we're going to do the Hot Ones Hot Wing Challenge, but I'm not going to tell you until it happens. I'm not going to tell you which season of sauces. Every year they change their sauces around. Not going to tell you what season, but what I am going to do is I'm going to film all the unboxings of the sauces as they come in. But Patreon supporters, shout out to you. Thanks for being a part of the episode, or part of the series. And if you're not a Patreon right now, I have 8 Patreon supporters. Come on, folks, jump on board, because tonight I'm going to change it. I'm going to change the poll, and we're going to add some other fun things to do. You can vote on it, and you can tell me what shows you want to do, and you will decide what shows I do for the Christmas in July extravaganza series. We're starting to crank up. It's the end of May. It's getting ready to be June, and then July is going to explode. So let's see what we got on here today. This one is these are sauces from Mobetta sauces. So we're gonna, I don't remember what all we had to order from them. Let's find out. So far, this is gonna be our first unboxing. A lot of styrofoam. Let's get rid of this. There's a lot of styrofoam. Don't really want this to go everywhere. So we'll just put it down nice and gently like. Hopefully my dog doesn't hear this. He's gonna think there's a treat coming. Oh, okay, so we got at least one sauce in there. Just the one sauce. That is a lot of styrofoam popcorn for one sauce. Apparently just the one sauce. Get this going over here. So yeah, go to patreon.com, look up Christmas on Crestline, and support us for whatever you want. There's tiers on there where you can earn shirts, hats, coins, lights. There's all sorts of neat stuff on there. You don't see a tier you want, make your own tier. You can do that on there as well. You don't have to do whatever. You don't have to do a preset one. Okay, so today we have High River sauces, High River Road. I'm not sure if that camera's going to focus on that because my starburst back there are probably messing with it. High River Rogue sauce. If memory serves, and it doesn't say on here, I think this is, and I'll put up here correct time or correct temperature of Scoville units. I want to say this is 30,000 Scovilles. I may be wrong, but you're seeing exactly what it is. But yeah, High River Rogue sauce is what we'll be doing as one of the sauces. Now, if you know what season it is, leave it down in the comments below. If you want to see a particular season, leave it down in the comments below, and be a part of the Christmas in July extravaganza episodes. If you are not a Patreon supporter, you don't get to vote on what I'm definitely going to do, but you can suggest shows. you suggest things, and it might make it into Christmas in July. But if you're a Patreon supporter, you're absolutely getting a say in how this show goes. So I'm going to come at you fast and furious. Everybody knows we do a show, have a Tuesday episode every week, because we're a weekly Christmas tuber show. So every Tuesday at 9 a.m. you're going to get that Christmas on Crestline. If you have your notifications set, you'll get the ding. You'll say, okay, they got a new episode. We're going to start having some extra episodes come out, so you kind of get used, because when July hits here, it's going to be boom, 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 one right after the other. We'll have 2 episodes one week, 3 episodes another week. We're going to have some fun stuff. So get on Patreon, be a part of the show. Comment down below and leave us some suggestions. If you've never seen Hot Ones, check out a Hot Ones episode. He's got like, I don't know, 200 plus. Justin Timberlake's on there. Charlize Theron. What's the scientist's name? Neil Gergesi. How do you say his name? I don't know. One of the smartest men on the planet's been on there. And there's a ton of Wiz Khalifa, I think, is on this season maybe. But he's got, well, there's just a ton of musicians on there. A ton of actors, some athletes. If you're a Chiefs fan, he's had Travis Kelce on there. That's the first athlete that comes to my mind. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let's get to the Patreon shout out real quick, because I'm pretty stoked about it. First of all, I don't know why I just said stoked, because I never say stoked. But yeah, pretty freaking stoked about this. We have supporters. We have one supporter who's a $10 supporter, another one who's a $15. But they came in as a $3 supporter, then raised it to $5, and then $10, and one even $15. We've never had a supporter come in at a $10 a month supporter right off the bat. Bill Parrish! Round of applause for Bill Parrish! Heck yeah, Bill! That's awesome. Bill came in as a $10 a month supporter. That's phenomenal, Bill. Phenomenal, Bill. That's phenomenal, Bill. Because that's a word that I just made for Bill Parrish. Bill Parrish is now known as Phenomenal Bill. Yeah, I'm going to coin that. I'm thinking about getting a t-shirt, Phenomenal Bill. And Bill, if you don't have that t-shirt, make it for yourself, because that's a heck of an idea. If my name was Bill, actually it is, fun fact, my middle name is William, so kind of a synonym of Bill. Phenomenal Bill. Anyway, Bill Parrish, how awesome is that? Bill came on the show, or came on Patreon. And I believe he actually even voted for the Hot Ones challenge, if memory serves. But yeah, that's phenomenal. Thank you so much, Bill, for supporting us on Patreon. And he's going to start earning some stuff, folks. So check us out on Patreon. Be a part of the Christmas and July extravaganza. We're going to have some more unboxings coming for you. When they come in, I'm going to film one. I'm going to crank it out to you. So we're getting our collections going. So that's it for today's episode. But we're going to have more than one episode come out this week. So put your notifications on and be ready for some extra bonus Christmas on Crestline episodes. So I'm Charlie. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.